Hello everyone. In this video, I'd like to talk about how to do interactive streaming data analytics in Zeppelin. So basically, there's three types of streaming data visualization in Zeppelin: single, update, and append. In this video, I'd like to talk about the single type. Now, let's go to the Zeppelin. So what is single type? Single type means that you will always get a single row for this SQL statement. We can see this example. So first, we would like to create a custom data source. So what does this data source do? This data source just simulates web access log. So there's three types of pages: home page, search page, and product page. And let's run this paragraph. And we will register this custom data source as a Flink table. The table name is log, and it has several fields: time, URL, and load time. So yeah, just wait a few seconds. Since this is the first run, it will launch the mini cluster in the JVM. Okay, yeah, we can see the output. All right, it is done. And then we can just run this command to get the schema. We can write the describe log. Yeah, we can see that there are three columns in this table. So the next thing is that we'd like to do a streaming data analysis. So we would like to calculate the page view. So this is the SQL command that we would like to run. This is the select count, max load time from log table. So we can see that this SQL statement will always produce only one row, right? So now let's run that. And just pay attention here. We just specify the type as single, and we also specify the template. The template is the HTML template, and these are the placeholder. Now we can see the Flink job is running, and we can see the output here. The output is refreshed automatically, right? This is pretty cool, right? Okay, so this is how to do streaming data analytics with the single type. Okay, thank you everyone.